Hello and welcome to this weekly update from the SAP Online Track team. These videos are short updates about 1 to 5 minutes, where we will bring you the latest of what's happened this last week. We started to see some exciting activities on our Discord channel, so please make sure that you join the fun on bit.ly/SAP Online Track-Discord. We're also looking for panelists, so make sure to check out the announcement blog that's mentioned in the description below. And now to something way more interesting. We have a guest speaker on the show this week who brings you a few tips on how to host a great session in an online event. Paul Hardy is an SAP mentor as well as an author of multiple books on ABAP. The latest is called ABAP to the Future, which was published on SAP Press just last year. So without further ado, please welcome Paul Hardy.
Greetings from Australia. My name's Paul Hardy, and this is Kamal. Hello! We're here today to talk about the forthcoming SAP Online Track event. I've been asked to give a few words about how to do presentations better. The sad fact of the world is that when you see a presentation, be it a live one at an SAP event or even one at work, a lot of the time, no matter how interesting the content is, the nature of the way it's presented tends to drive you to sleep. It happens all the time. Often the more technical it is, the worse it is. But it doesn't have to be this way. I've also seen a load of fantastic presentations of a technical nature. Not often at events like Sapphire or SAP Tech Ed, but often at SAP Inside Track. The secret is not all that difficult. There's one little thing you can do to make yourself 10 times the presenter you were 10 minutes ago. So how do we get there to here? I started by going to an organization called Toastmasters, which is all about public speaking. And they taught me a lot, and it's much more scientific than you ever could have imagined. The biggest thing, the one point I'm going to make today, is don't read out your slides. A lot of people fill their slides with text and then read it all out. That's insulting to the audience and they're not listening. If there's text on the screen, people will read it. And while they're reading it, they're not listening to you. So the less text you have on your screen, the better. The secondary point I'd like to make about any presentation. It's not about you. The whole point of a presentation is to give benefit to the audience. At a big event like Sapphire or something, their organization has paid like $2,000 US or more. So they should really get a benefit equivalent to $2,000 or more over the course of the event. So the whole point of your talk has to be about how the person in the audience will be better off as a result of whatever it is you're sharing with them. It's a little point, and it might be obvious, but a lot of people tend to miss it and say, I did this, I did that, I did the other. Good way of telling is to count how many times you say the word I, as opposed to how many times you say the word you. Right, summarize it up. Don't read out your slides. Simple as that. Don't read them out in a live event. Don't read them out in an online presentation. Don't read them out in a work presentation. You just do that, and everything will be a million times better. Isn't that right, Kamal? Bloody out it is. That'll help you a lot. Right, okay, from Australia, signing off now. Bye.